Hi, my name is Danielle Hess.
And I'm Vicky Cho.
And we're with Berkshire Hathaway. We're so excited to present to you 24 T Olive.
It's a single story, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, a multi-gen suite, and a backyard to die for.
This backyard is a true oasis. You have an oversized patio, fireplace, huge sitting area, custom designed oversized jacuzzi, has water and fire features, built-in barbecue, and you could even work on your golf game.
Now this kitchen is truly a chef's dream. Not only do you get 2 islands, you have a complete GE Monogram appliance package. My favorite part? All the storage, and it also has pull-out drawers.
I'm standing in the NextGen Suite, which features its own private entry, kitchenette, standing in the living room, 1-car garage, laundry room, 1 bedroom, and a bathroom. And if you needed to, you can completely shut this off from the main house.
If you want more information about this house
or living in Southern Highlands,
contact us. Until the next one, bye!